Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet a spider mum flower. This is extremely fun. All you need to know how to do is a double crochet and a single crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in my description below for my videos on how to do those stitches. So to get started, we are going to grab our yarn and we are going to chain 4. And in the last chain of the row, we are going to work 12 double crochets all in the same space. Once you have all 12, you are going to join with a slip stitch. And we're going to start by chaining 11. And in the second chain from the hook, you're going to work a single crochet in the next 10 stitches. Now you got to make sure that you're working on the right side. It will want to kind of twist just a little bit, so just keep an eye on that. So now we're going to single crochet in the next stitch. Then again, we are going to chain 11 and we are going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook and in each stitch all the way back down for a total of 10. And you're going to repeat this all the way in the round. So we're going to go ahead and just skip forward just a little bit and do it 10 more times off camera. So now that we have all of our little flowery leaves, we're going to come in and give the center of the flower its texture. So we're going to be working in the double crochet post itself. So we're going to start off by chaining 6. And we're going to single crochet in that post. So I'll pull it closer so you can see. So we're going to go down and up. So we got that post right there and we're going to single crochet on it. So again, it's chaining 6 and you're going to single crochet in the next post. And you're going to do this all the way around the flower. So again, it's going to be chaining 6 and single crocheting in that post. And you'll end up doing this a total of 12 times. So now that we've reached the end, we're going to chain 6 again, and we're going to do this again all the way around. So it's going to be chaining 6 and going around the flower base one more time, crocheting in the double crochet post in front of the single crochet that we just did. And for the flower that I've already done that's sitting kind of behind my hand, I used a variegated yarn, just of any brand, and it kind of gives it that different color texture. So just something to keep in mind if you're wanting to make your own spider mum, that variegated colored yarn or multi-colored changing yarn is actually really fun to do for these projects. And there you go. That is how you crochet a spider mum. You just fasten off your work and tie in your loose end. And there you have it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and I really do hope that you have a happy crochet day.